Portux 3D resins made with acrylic monomers for dental application. Compatible with Open LCD/DLP 385 and 405 nanometer printers. Fast printing speed. High precision in details. Optimal dimensional stability and mechanical resistance. Ideal for the manufacture of models used to make aligners and orthodontic devices. White violet, rose, tone and glossy surface finish. It contains a release additive in its formulation, making it easier to remove the aligner. Designed to print at layer thicknesses equal to or greater than 100 microns with less precision, but greater speed.